Hi, I'm Patrick Call and I'm here today to talk about how you use the iPad's mail application. So you may be new to the iPad and you want to start emailing and you're a bit confused about the mail application. It's pretty simple. Let me show you some of the things that you can do with it. First of all, you want to set it up. So if we go to Settings, Mail, Contacts and Calendars is where you want to go, and then your accounts here. If you don't have an account set up, you're going to hit the Add Account button. Choose one of these if you have one of those. If you don't have one, you can hit Other and then just use your settings. So you have an office email, for example, and you have the settings in it, it's not one of these, and use the other and set it up that way. Once it's set up, we go to Mail. Create a new message is at the top right, this button with the pencil in it. Creates a new message. Put in the address, write the subject, type your message, hit Send. Easy as that. Now, go to my mailboxes here. You'll see your different accounts and then your different mailboxes. If you go to my iCloud, for example, there's my inbox right there. If I come down here to my account, you'll see the inbox is sent in the trash. And then you have your flag button up here. You can also move a message to a different mailbox. You can trash it, and then this is the reply button. You can also forward and print from this same button. All things, if you're familiar with a mail application, you're going to recognize. You know, there might be a different layout here and some of the icons you might not recognize, but they all relate to universal functions of mail applications. And that's it. That's pretty much how you use the mail application. Well, yeah, one other thing. You can also set your mail to push, something to be aware of here. Fetch new data, so that the mail comes in automatically. You don't have to go and fetch it. It will push here. And that's it. Now you can just go ahead and use your mail. Pretty simple. I'm Patrick Call. Hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching.